To write notes on the Samsung Galaxy A57, you have to open your application drawer and basically search for a Samsung Notes application. When you open this one and to create a new note, you will have to click on this button in the right bottom corner, like this, click OK. And as you can see right here at the top, of course, we can just click to start inputting text manually. And we can change all of those settings, like for example the font size, so we can make it much bigger. Take a look. We can also add some other things, like if I want to bold any word, I have to click on this icon. There's actually a lot of things that we can customize. We can also add the bullet points or that simple number list. So before you start using this, I can highly recommend you to get used to everything. We can also add checkboxes, for example, so it's much easier if we are doing, for example, a shopping list. And of course, we can click here and we can manually draw in the notes if you want for some reason, but you can always show your keyboard. And right now, when you go back from this one, everything will be saved automatically, but you can also add a title at the top. And you can even set a favorite. So this specific note will be always at the top because you favorite this one. And what we can also do here, we can get this book view. So it will look like this. And of course, we can find a lot of other things, like for example, we can change the page settings, or for example, we can search for some specific words. So if I'm gonna search for this phrase, as you can see, it will be highlighted with the blue color. So this is actually pretty advanced feature with those notes, and you can even find here some kind of the recycle bin. So if you delayed your note, you want to get it back, you got 30 days to take it back, and that's base information about notes.